that's all. In last topic, we have seen something about the AWS Gen AI concepts, more Gen AI concepts. Now let's talk about the one of the most important safety features in Amazon Bedrock, that is guardrails. Think of guardrails as security shield for your AI applications. They control how users interact with foundation models and make sure nothing harmful, unsafe, or inappropriate gets through. Guardrails can automatically detect and remove personally identifiable information like names, phone numbers, or email IDs, which is massively boosts privacy protection. I'm sorry. They also help reduce AI hallucinations by keeping the model within the well-defined rules. You can create multiple guardrails, set blocked topics, and specify what the model should or should not respond to. So if a user asks something outside the allowed topic list, Bedrock instantly blocks it and keeps the interaction safe. So in short, guardrails make sure your generative AI app stays safe, responsible, and enterprise ready. So that is all for this video. And in next topic, we would be doing hands-on on creating guardrails in AWS Bedrock and Amazon Bedrock. I'm sorry. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you very much.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.